This is a CS 3000 watt amplifier circuit board. I am going to use this circuit in a handmade amplifier. I like to use original circuit always. I already fixed all transistor here. All transistor name are written down in the circuit. Don't worry, you can also do. This transistor I use here using the wire. This one also same circuit, 2SC5200 and 2SC1943 transistor. Now I am going to check this circuit using this transformer. This circuit need only positive and negative voltage. This circuit need only positive and negative voltage. No need ground voltage like as the delta audio. Positive and negative voltage need. No need ground. Ground voltage should go to speaker. The ground voltage will go to speaker. The positive voltage for the positive side 2SC5200 are there, that side. This is the negative section. This is negative section 2SC1943. This side is negative section. I am going to use this black wire. This is the negative voltage and that side is the positive section 2SC5200. This is the now this is positive section 2SC5200. 2SC5200 is positive transistor. Here need positive voltage. I am so sleepy today. Now no need any ground voltage. And one small voltage need for the speaker protection section, 12 voltage. If we don't want to use that voltage, also can use this circuit before the speaker protection. Here need 12 voltage for the speaker protection. And 12 voltage. I am going to use the 12 voltage for the speaker protection. If I don't use the 12 voltage, then the relay cannot work. Then we cannot get the audio output after relay. We can get audio output before relay. If we don't use this voltage, we have to take the audio output before the relay. Before relay. Now I am going to plug in. I change the wire. This is the ground. Okay. Now I am going to plug in. The relay is turning on. Relay is turning on after some times. 3-4 seconds later, relay switching. Relay switching after 3 or 4 seconds. This is 76 voltage. I am using 76 voltage. We can use here maximum 100 voltage. Here we can see 12 voltage. Here is the 12 voltage. This is the speaker. I am going to use this speaker to check the circuit. This is the ground voltage from the main voltage. This is the ground for the speaker, and speaker main output will come from the circuit. This is the main output. When touching the input, the speaker is working. Look, speaker is working. Wait for a while, please. You can use this circuit in any amplifier. This is very good quality one, good quality sound, and we can get 1500 watt from this circuit. Maybe not, maybe this circuit can make 1000 watt can make, because here I use 4 transistor. Per pair can make 150 watt. Then here is 4 pair, 4 into 150. How many? 600 watt. 600 watt can make this circuit. $600 watt can make this circuit. Look, this speaker is working well. Thank you for watching the video. If you want the amplifier circuit diagram, please check the comment link. There I have the lots of amplifier circuit diagram. Thank you.